Welcome back. As we all know, Miami had some severe flooding last week. As a result, we had a few of our customers call in with water damage in their vehicles. Here at Prestige, we not only deal with regular repairs, but we also do insurance claims. What we have right here is a 2020 Volvo XC60. Let's see what we have to work with today. Customer's original complaint was that the car was involved in a flooding. We're gonna go ahead and check the engine, transmission, and all electrical components to see if there's any water damage in the vehicle. After performing the diagnostic, we're gonna reach out to the insurance company and let them know and inform them of everything that needs to be replaced in the car.